Hey everybody, I'm Sean.
And I'm Kieran.
Welcome to another episode of Angling Spiders.
Nice fish, bud. Good job.
Look at that. Chunky.
We got a northern pike minnow.
A northern pike minnow. That is something we don't get at home.
Nope.
Awesome, man.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are checking out the Calgary Boat and Outdoors show.
Let's go see what we can find.
Checking out the boat hall. Wishing we had one of these instead of kayaks. What do you think?
Pretty nice boats.
Think we should have one of those?
I think we'll stick to our kayaks for now.
Yeah, agreed. Mom would like one of these.
Oh yeah.
Checking out the pontoon boats. Pretty nice stuff. Maybe the next evolution of angling spiders. Sea-Doo's tricked out for fishing. Loving it. That is awesome. Here's something a little more our style. Lund camo fishing boat. There are some nice boats here. Just a shot of the exhibit hall. Been talking to a few outfitters. Maybe a trip in the future. What do you think about that?
Great.
A shot of the show stage here. Nothing currently on. We're having a show here later. And what I really wanted to look at was that. I wish we had one of those. Hard to believe, but all of that is wood carving. That dog is crazy impressive. It's like they're gonna have a lumberjack competition here a little bit later. What do you think? You want to do the log roll?
That's funny.
This is Kieran learning how to fly fish, which is something he's never done before.
Nice, forward is good. See how you're still lifting it back? Still going like this? Yeah. I want you to bring, kind of bend your elbow and shoulder. That's how you're going to go across the ceiling, like you're painting a ceiling. I want you a little bit bigger of a piece. There it is. Yes.
There you go.
That was good, yeah. Yep.
You hit the roof.
Everyone does it, yeah.
It was awesome. You getting it? You got it. This is the trout pond here at the Calgary Boat and Outdoors show. Very popular. Lots of people trying to catch some trout. Well, that's a party tub. It's about a 8 to 10 seater. Crazy. Checking out the conservation booth, and all of these birds are alive. We thought they might be stuffed when we first saw them, including this bad boy. That is a golden eagle. That is very cool.
Dad's gonna try a little bit of archery here. There you go. Sharpshooter.
That was beauty. That's fantastic. We had a great day here at the Calgary Boat and Outdoors show. Got to check out a lot of stuff. Got some ideas maybe for some places to go fishing. So some ideas for later in the season. Later.